What if I told you there's a secret system, a sort of wealth wheel, that separates the top 1% of online entrepreneurs from everyone else? A system that, once you understand it, can take you from a complete beginner to a successful side hustler, and maybe even into that elite 1%. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to share is the exact blueprint that successful online earners use, often without even realizing it. Let's start with a harsh truth. Over 90% of people who try to make money online will fail. They'll try a bunch of things, get frustrated, and quit, usually within the first 90 days. Why? Because they're lost in a jungle of misinformation, jumping from one shiny object to the next, never truly committing to a single path. This video is your map out of that jungle. We're going to break down the online wealth wheel, identify which stage you're in right now, and give you the exact steps to move to the next level. So, what is this online wealth wheel? Imagine a circle divided into 4 stages. Stage 1 is for the starters, or as I sometimes call them, the never starters. This is where most people begin. You're excited, you've heard the stories of people making a fortune online, and you want a piece of the pie. The problem is you're immediately overwhelmed. You see gurus promising quick riches with dropshipping, affiliate marketing, crypto, AI, you name it. This is the jungle of misinformation. Everyone is shouting, and you don't know who to trust. The biggest trap here is shiny object syndrome. You watch a video about selling on Amazon FBA, get excited, buy a course. And then 2 weeks later, you see another video about creating viral TikToks and you jump ship. You end up with a hard drive full of half-finished projects and a bank account that's lighter than when you started. Sound familiar? If you're stuck in this stage, the single most important thing you can do is this. Pick one method and stick to it. I don't care what it is. Just commit. For the sake of this video, let's use an example that's working incredibly well right now. AI-powered e-commerce. This brings us to stage 2, the dabblers. You've chosen your path. Let's say it's starting an e-commerce store selling print-on-demand t-shirts. You've used AI to generate some cool designs and you've set up your shop. Now what? The key to escaping stage 2 and getting your first real taste of success is mastering free traffic. And right now, the king of free traffic is short-form video, especially on TikTok. Why TikTok? Because its algorithm is designed to give new creators a chance. You don't need 1 million followers to go viral. You just need to create engaging content. This is where you move from just having a store to actually making sales. Your goal in this stage is simple. Get consistent sales, even if they're small. Prove to yourself that the model works. You're no longer just dabbling. You're building a real business. And that's what gets you to stage 3, the successful side hustlers. At this point, you're making consistent income. Maybe it's a few hundred or even a few $1,000s a month. You've proven the concept. The money is real. The temptation here is to just keep doing what you're doing. But to level up, you need to get strategic. This is where you shift from just making sales to building a brand. There are 4 steps. Step 1. Define your audience. Who are you actually selling to? It's not just people who like cool t-shirts. Get specific. Are they gamers? Dog lovers? People who are into vintage cars? Once you know who they are, all your content, your designs, and your marketing will become 10 times more effective. Step 2. Stay consistent. You found a content style that works on TikTok? Don't stop. Double down. Post once, twice, even 3 times a day. Consistency builds momentum and trains the algorithm to show your content to more of your ideal customers. Step 3. Show, don't just tell. Instead of just posting a picture of your t-shirt, show people wearing it. Create videos that tell a story related to the design. If you sell shirts for book lovers, create content about the feeling of finishing a great book. Connect with your audience on an emotional level. Step 4. Build social proof. When customers post pictures wearing your gear, share them. When you get a great review, screenshot it and turn it into a video. Social proof is the ultimate sales tool. It tells new customers, hey, people love this stuff, and you will too. Following these steps is how you turn a small side hustle into a predictable, scalable business. This leads us to the final stage, stage 4, The 1% elite hustlers. These are the people who have moved beyond just having a successful side hustle. They've built a real, sustainable brand that generates significant income, often enough to quit their 9-to-5 job and go full-time. What separates them from the successful side hustlers in stage 3? Two things: systems and reinvestment. They've built systems to handle the day-to-day operations. Maybe they hire a virtual assistant to manage customer service or a freelance designer to create new t-shirt graphics. This frees up their time to focus on high-level strategy and growth, not just fulfilling orders. More importantly, they aggressively reinvest their profits back into the business. This is the crucial step. Instead of cashing out every dollar to buy a new car, they reinvest in tools and growth. They might start running paid ads on Facebook or Instagram to reach a wider audience. They might invest in higher quality product photography or a better e-commerce platform. They might even use their profits to launch a second product line or a completely new brand. They are constantly pouring fuel on the fire, turning their income stream into a wealth-generating machine. They have mastered the online wealth wheel. So, let's bring this back to you. Your next step is to honestly identify which stage of the wheel you're in right now. Are you a stage 1 starter, paralyzed by too much information? If so, your only job is to pick one path and commit for the next 90 days. Are you a stage 2 dabbler with a store but no sales? Your mission is to master a free traffic source like TikTok. Are you a stage 3 side hustler with consistent income? It's time to build a brand by defining your audience and building social proof. Or are you on the verge of stage 4, ready to build systems and reinvest for massive growth? Understanding this framework is the key. It's not about finding a magic bullet. It is about knowing where you are and what specific actions you need to take to get to the next level. This is how you stop spinning your wheels and start building real, lasting online wealth. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you gain some clarity, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Let me know in the comments which stage of the online wealth wheel you're in. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.